Here's number 55, and notice that on 55, it's the odd numbers, 5, 7, 9, 11, all the way to 31. So let's do this. And it says use and k for the index of summation. Express each sum use the lower limit of summation of your choice and k for the index summation. So we're going to go k is equal to, and it's like they're saying choose where you want to start. And we could start, well, anywhere we want. Well, to get odd numbers, to get even numbers, we take 2 times k. So 2 times k, 2 times anything is going to give you an even number, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. This is going to be even. Now we have to offset that by 1 to get an odd number. And we can offset it by either putting +1 or -1. So let's say we chose to offset it by +1. That means when we plug in 1, we're going to get 3 now. When we plug in 2, we're going to get 5. When we plug in 3, we're going to get 7. So that offsets it and makes this a negative value. To get odd numbers, we can go 2k plus 1. Now there's lots of different answers for this, and I think the book actually gives a different one, but we're going to go with this. All right, so now I know that this is odd numbers. Now what value do I have to make k in order for this to start at 5? And we'd actually have to plug in 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we're going to go 2. Now I got to figure out, well, how am I going to get 31? And that would go all the way to 15. So 2 times 15 is 30, plus 1 would give us 31. So that's what we would do if these values are odds, on odds numbers. But think of it this, I think of it this way also. This is linear. This is going 5, 7, 9. So we're adding 2 every single time. So if we had 5 and then plus 9 and then plus 13 and then 17 and keep on going like that, 21 let's say, that's adding 4 every time, and that's the change in this linear series. And so that means the slope is 4, so 4k. And then if I plug, let's say 1 in, I'd have to add 1. So we could do it like this. We could go k is equal to 1 of 4k and then plus 1, so to make sure that the first one is 5. And so adding 4 every time means that you have a line, this is linear, with a slope of 4. So if I plug 1 in, I'm going to get 5, 2 in, I'm going to get 9, 3 in, we're going to get 13, and so on. Now to go all the way to 21, the last one would have to be 5, because that'd be 20, and then plus 1 would be 21. So that'd be 1 to 5. So yeah, these are odds, which this gives us evens, but they're also increasing by 2. So that's the slope of your line. Now it has to be, you have to add the exact same thing every time for this to be a linear series. So that hopefully that helps you to do number 56, which is not the odds, but the evens. So see if you can figure it out from there.